Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add another account on Roblox. So first things first, you have to open your Roblox. You can open your Roblox on your web browser. Now here you have to tap on the settings or the gear icon. And here you should see the switch account option, and all you have to do is to click that one. Now in the switch account, you will see here add account option. And what you're going to do is you have to simply tap on add account, enter the email address or the username of the second account that you want to add it right here. Or if you don't have an account yet, then you can create or sign up for a new account. Now, usually before you can log in, they will send a code to your email address, and all you have to do is to simply add that or enter the email code. Once done, this is what it looks like. So you have two accounts or multiple accounts in one Chrome. If you want to add another one, just tap on add account, enter the email and username, and then password. And basically, that's how to add another account on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.